Why do you think grief as a sort of an experience in culture is just, it's not addressed as much as other things are?
Yes. Yeah, I think grief becomes, it feels taboo at times to talk about when you've had that kind of loss. Why? I don't know. Some people just get so uncomfortable. You don't know what to say. And so people who are experiencing grief don't share it because they know that no one knows what to say. And people get this, I'm sorry for your loss. And there's these standard terms we hear. It is more than just sadness. Making sense of and organizing ourselves after something like that is incredibly complicated. And so how do we share that experience with someone who, again, the other side of it doesn't know how to hold that with you and for you? Our society just doesn't want us to spend the time dealing with these feelings because we have to be productive and get back to our normal lives.